Unit 4 Assessment. Solve the problems. Number 1. Natalina drives a moving van. She travels 372 miles in 6 hours. At what speed does Natalina drive in miles per 1 hour? Show your work. Number 2. A paint store sells 4 pints of paint for $19. Use a model to write a rate for this situation. What does this mean? Show your work. Number 3. Carla makes paper airplanes. Today it takes her 32 minutes to make 16 airplanes. She plans to make paper airplanes for 96 minutes tomorrow and to work at the same rate. How many paper airplanes will Carla make tomorrow? A. 192, B. 48, or C. 6? Number 4. At a farmer's market, a package of pears weigh 3 pounds and cost $9. Bananas are priced at 4 pounds per $1. Use rates to show what kind of fruit is more expensive per pound. Remember, the money goes on top. Show your work. Number 5. Chinasia buys a plastic bucket. The bucket weighs 460 grams. The label on the bucket says made with 20% recycled plastic. How many grams of recycled plastic are used to make Chinasia's bucket? Record your answer on the grid and fill in the bubbles. Number 6. Elizabeth buys a package of 360 marbles. She gives away 216 of those marbles. What percent of the marbles did Elizabeth give away? Show your work. Number 7. Miss Doan spends $36 at a carnival. This is 75% of the money she brings to the carnival. How much money does Miss Doan bring to the carnival? Record your answer on the grid, then fill in the bubbles. Number 8. Ella makes cheesy broccoli casseroles. Her recipe calls for 7 cups of broccoli per 2 cups of cheese. How many cups of broccoli are needed for 42 cups of cheese? Number 9. A library sells 600 books for a fundraiser. The library claims that 60% of the books are fiction. How many of these books are fiction? A. 10, B. 36, or C. 360? Number 10. A barrel holds 21 quarts of oil. Trina drains the barrel at a rate of 6 cups per 1 minute. How long does it take her to empty the barrel? Show your work, where 1 quart equals 4 cups. And number 11, what percent of 125 is 90? Write your answer in the blanks.